What's up, guys? This is the network back with another video, and today we are talking about how to get your LLC funded within 48 hours, even if you don't have good personal credit, even if you haven't built any business credit yet, and even if you don't have stacks of documents ready to go. This video is for educational purposes only. We're going to break down how fintech lending really works, what banks don't tell you about where the money actually comes from, and how to structure your application for high limit approvals. And before we even get started, let me make something clear. If your personal credit has negative items, collections, late payments, or anything that could block your ability to personal guarantee a loan, you're going to want to run a credit sweep first. The network has that process. We do it for you, and we can walk you through how to clean your file the right way. Let's get into it. First off, let's kill the myth. A lot of people think if they can't get approved through a traditional bank, they're out of options. Not true. What they don't tell you is that most big banks take your denied application and forward that same funding opportunity to fintech companies that they lend money to. So instead of the bank giving you the loan, they pass the funding responsibility to smaller, flexible fintech lenders that don't have the same strict underwriting rules. And that's where the 48-hour approvals come in. These fintech lenders don't care about perfect personal credit. What they look at is cash flow, and specifically your business's ending balance, not what you make, not your total revenue. They want to see what's left over at the end of the month. So here's the hack. When you apply, the most important thing in your business bank statements is not the deposits, it's the ending daily balance, because that tells the lender if you actually manage your money or just have cash flow with no structure. You can have a business bringing in $50,000 a month, but if your balance at the end of each week is $200, they're not going to trust you with a large amount. So your goal before you even apply is to make sure your business bank account has clean statements with high leftover balances. Ideally, your ending balance should show consistency. Even if it's not crazy high, it should never hit zero. Now, once you're ready to apply, here's what you'll need to have in place: a real LLC or incorporated business, an EIN, a business bank account that's been active for at least 3 months, consistent income coming into that account. Ideally, an ending balance of at least $1,000 or more week to week. Some lenders will ask for 3 to 6 months of statements. Others might only need 1 month if your numbers are strong. But here's where most people mess up. They apply with bad personal credit, and the lender still tries to pull a soft inquiry and sees collections or negative marks. That's why we always recommend starting with a credit sweep. Not because you always have to personal guarantee, but because sometimes it unlocks more options if needed. The network offers that service directly. We clean your file, we show you how to build your base, and then we walk you into the funding process with clean documentation, ready to go. Now back to fintech lending. These companies move fast. Once approved, you can get your funds in 24 to 48 hours, directly deposited into your business account. Some will offer daily payback, others weekly or monthly, but they base the payback schedule on your cash flow, not your credit score. This is where structuring matters. If your business account shows consistent deposits, a healthy balance, and minimal overdrafts, you're golden. If it doesn't, we can help you structure that too, and we're not giving out specific company names in this video. If you want the exact lender list, the application strategy, or you want us to set up the play for you start to finish, reach out on Discord. The network has the full method. We've helped clients get funded through this process repeatedly, even with no established business credit file. But if you want the biggest advantage, to get your personal credit cleaned first. That way, if a lender does require a personal guarantee, you're ready. And if they don't, you're still walking in with leverage. This isn't just a loan game. This is a data game. You're showing lenders you're structured, responsible, and ready for capital. Not because of your credit score, but because your business looks stable on paper. If you're not sure how to set all this up, or you want the full breakdown of what to do and when, join the mentorship. Inside the network mentorship, we give you full credit sweep services, the exact fintech loan method step by step, help setting up your business bank account properly, document structure that builds lender trust, and live access to ask us questions anytime. We don't just talk about funding, we help you secure it, whether it's a loan, a grant, a credit line, or a business card. And if you want to see the results in real time, follow us on Instagram. We post client wins, play-by-plays, and educational content daily so you can stay in motion. This was the network, educational purposes only, and we'll see you in the next one.